Imagine this. 60 seconds is all it takes to reset your mind. One mindful minute, one moment of awareness. Buddhist wisdom says, peace is always just one breath away. Let me show you how. We think we need an hour to meditate, a weekend retreat, a peaceful mountain cabin. But the truth is, one moment, done with full awareness, can be enough. Buddhist practice isn't about time, it's about presence. And even 1 minute of deep, conscious presence can change your entire day. This video gives you a world of calm, but the heart of it lives in one sacred minute. Let's do it now. You don't need to close your eyes, just be here. Inhale deeply. Hold for a gentle moment. Exhale slowly. Feel your body soften. Let your jaw unclench. Shoulders drop. Breath finds its rhythm. Now say silently, I am here. I am calm. This is enough. That's it. That was your minute. But notice what changed. Your breath, your mind, your body. The Buddha said, better than 1,000 hollow words is one word that brings peace. And better than an hour of forced stillness is one authentic moment of presence. Buddhism teaches the mind is like a lake. When you stop stirring it, the mud settles, the water becomes clear. That's what 1 minute can do. It doesn't add peace, it reveals the peace already inside you. One day, the Buddha and his followers came upon a river, wild with muddy water. The disciples asked, how can we drink from this? The Buddha smiled and said, let it be. They waited. Minutes passed, the water stilled, the mud settled, it became clear. He said, the mind is like this. If you let it be, clarity will come. And the pause, that stillness often only takes a minute. In today's world, we rarely pause. We check our phones, scroll endlessly, multitask. But every time you pause for one conscious minute, you reset. Try this in daily life. Before you respond in anger, one breath. Before you unlock your phone, one pause. Before you speak, one silent word. Peace. These sacred micro moments change your nervous system. They transform how you live. Make 1 minute a sacred part of your day. Try this. Light a candle each morning. Set a 1 minute timer. Sit. Breathe. Be. Don't try to achieve anything. Don't force silence. Just witness the moment as it is. This is real spiritual practice, and it takes 60 seconds. 1 minute. That's all it takes. You don't need to change your life. You just need to change this moment. If this video gave you even a second of peace, let that be enough, for now. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more Buddhist wisdom, mindful reflections, and everyday peace.